What if the Great Pyramid wasn't built from the outside, but from the inside? Not a giant ramp, not aliens. A hidden spiral corridor, sealed inside the stone itself. Here's the crazy part. To lift 2.3 million stone blocks, some weigh over 2 tons, using an external ramp, the ramp would have to be longer than a mile and bigger than the pyramid. We've never found remains of such a ramp. No debris, no foundation, nothing. The math doesn't add up. Actually, imagine this in 3D. As the pyramid rises layer by layer, workers leave a narrow corridor inside the outer shell. This corridor slopes upward in a square spiral. Blocks are dragged up inside the pyramid, not outside. At each corner, there's an open notch where the block can be rotated. Once a level is finished, they seal the corridor with outer casing stones. The ramp disappears because it becomes part of the structure. Think about it. A 2-meter wide internal ramp is enough to move stones, but invisible to us today, which explains why modern scans are starting to detect strange voids exactly where this ramp should be. So the real question is, did they hide the construction method in plain sight? Follow for more ancient logic. ****.